Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Anycubic Kobra Max 3D printer. First, let's unbox and assemble the main components, which is a straightforward process, usually taking less than half an hour. Next, we'll perform the automatic bed leveling using the intuitive LeviQ system, ensuring your print surface is perfectly calibrated. Finally, I'll guide you through loading your filament, making sure it's properly seated and ready for your first print. It's a simple start to a powerful machine. Now that your Kobra Max is set up, it's time to prepare your first model for printing. You'll use a slicer software like Cura to convert your three-dimensional design into instructions the printer understands. Here, you can fine-tune settings such as layer height, infill, and print speed, which can reach up to 180 millimeters per second. Once sliced, transfer the G-code file to your printer, select it from the menu, and watch your creation come to life on the impressive 400 by 400 by 450 millimeter build volume. Keeping your Kobra Max in top condition ensures consistent, high-quality prints. Regular maintenance is key. Make sure to clean your print nozzle frequently to avoid clogs, which can cause print failures. Always clean the print bed with isopropyl alcohol before each print to guarantee excellent adhesion for your models. If you encounter issues like filament tangles or minor print failures, calmly check your filament path, connections, and slicer settings. A little care goes a long way in extending your printer's lifespan. The Anycubic Kobra Max offers some fantastic advanced features for experienced users. Its massive build volume of 400 by 400 by 450 millimeters allows you to print truly large-scale objects that many other printers can't handle. Don't be afraid to experiment with different filament types, from standard PLA to flexible TPU, expanding your creative horizons. Plus, with print speeds reaching up to 180 millimeters per second, you can complete your projects much faster without sacrificing quality. It's a versatile and powerful tool for any maker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.